Hi, all. This is Divya. I'm working as an assistant professor, Department of Biomedical Engineering at Sri Sharma College of Engineering and Technology. Today, let's discuss about introduction to Arduino IDE. Last video, we have discussed about Arduino Uno. So to program that Arduino Uno board, you are in need of a software which is called the Arduino IDE. So we'll discuss in detail about this Arduino IDE in this video. Thank you. You can download and install the Arduino IDE software by using this link, and I will provide this link in the description also. And you can you can Google it as Arduino IDE. It will leads to this link, and you can download and install the Arduino IDE. So after installing it, you have to connect your board to your computer via USB cable, and if needed, you have to install the CS340. If it is already installed in your computer, it is no need to install. If it is not installed, you have to download and install CH340 driver software. It is also available in Google itself. And you can launch the Arduino IDE, and you have to select your board, and you have to select your serial port. And for example, you can open the Blink example, and you have to upload the program. So after uploading it, the built-in LED will be available in your Arduino board, as we discussed in the last video. So that will start to blink. That will start to on and off. So how your Arduino hardware and software interface will happen. So can this Arduino board can understand the human language or any other numerical systems? No, it can understand only the digital numbers. So you have to convert the human readable thing into the machine readable form. That is, the programs what we are writing in the embedded C, that is human readable, right? So that should be converted into the digital forms, that is zeros and ones. So that can be uploaded in your board. So in this manner, you can connect your board and your system. So this is your USB cable, which helps to connect your board with your computer. And this is your built-in LED. So here you can see an LED that will start to blink. So here this is a power LED that will stay on whenever you are connecting your board with your computer. And the next one is Arduino code compilation process. So in this, the program written in the C language, that is embedded C language, that will be converted into the assembly language with the help of this compiler. So while this compiler's job is compile the source code, that is, it should be converted into the assembly language. So before that, it should check whether any error is there in your written C program. So that can be modified, and again it can be compiled. So that can be converted into the C program can be converted into the assembly level language program with the help of this compiler, and that can be sent to your assembler. So here, what is the job of the assembler here? So the assembler will convert the assembly language code into the machine language code, and this program alone not only sufficient to run in your Arduino board. So including it, you have to include the library routines. So that also will be included in the included as machine code, and these written program and the library routines will be linked with the help of this linker, and that can be converted into the executable file in the form of machine program, and that can be sent to your memory, which is available in your IC, that will be available in your Arduino board. So that can be sent to the memory with the help of this loader. So there the process will starts with the help of your program. Here you can see the hex file. That is, the Arduino converts your program written in C or C++ into the machine language file, so which is called hex file. So this Arduino software can understand the hexadecimal file in the number system. That is, the file will be in the format of .hex file. So the .hex file contains the binary instructions for the microcontroller. So next one is AVR dude. So what is the work of AVR? The middle block, which is the AVR dude. So this is downloader or uploader. So AVR dude is a software tool which is used by the Arduino. So it uploads the .hex file from the computer to the Arduino board. So it communicates through the USB cable. So what its main function? So it transfers the compiled code into a main memory. Transfers the compiled code in your main memory. Then uploaded program goes into your Atmeha 328P microcontroller. So this is your main chip in your Arduino UNO. So the red highlighted IC in the image is the Atmeha 328 PIC. So it stores and executes the program what we are stored in the memory. So the next one is bootloader. So here in the previous slide, you can see the message, hi, I am a bootloader and I live on the Atmeha 328 chip. So this bootloader will be available on the Atmeha 328 chip. So what is bootloader? So bootloader is a small program already stored inside your microcontroller. So it allows code uploading through USB without using any external programmers. So without bootloaders, you have to externally add a program to run it. So what is the role of bootloader? So when the upload button is clicked, Arduino IDE compiles code and creates a hex file, and AVR dude sends the file, then bootloader receives it, then program stored in the flash memory, then Arduino runs the program. Okay, so these are all the roles of bootloader. So without the bootloader, the Arduino UNO cannot receive the program. So what is the importance of bootloader? So without bootloader, you have to externally include a hardware programmer. So with the bootloader, so it is easy to easy for USB programming, and you can fasterly, that is immediately, develop your projects, and it is a very beginner friendly. Thank you all for listening. Thank you.